Hello, one and all present here. This is Amit Kumar Singh, and welcome everyone to my class on MS Excel. And in this class, I'm going to discuss very important. I'm going to talk about the concept of calendar. So the concept of calendar, which become very relevant when we are studying general knowledge. Like if I ask you that the third battle of Panipat, it happened on 14th January 1761. What was the day on that? So it was Wednesday. Like that, if I ask you, we got independence on 15th August 1947. What was the day? So that day was Friday. So if I ask you something like this question, so I don't trust your general knowledge more than trusting your general knowledge. I'm trusting your knowledge on MS Excel. So on that contest, if I'm asking you that probably what was the day on this particular date, so then the best answer what Excel can give us, Excel definitely will help us to get the answer, and we'll get the answer either by using a text function or either by using switch function. Okay, so you can see the relevance here. So you simply write equal to text bracket open, put the date, whatever the date is there. The format of date is that first you have to write year, then month, and then day. Close bracket, comma, write 4 times under double quote D. So like that, you'll get the day. The other way, you can use switch option. If you're using switch option, then you can use the formula that under switch you have to write the expression. So the expression would be weekday, and then you can know the format of date. So weekday actually give us the number between 1 to 7. Okay, so where I'll explain, 1 means Sunday, 2 means Monday, 3 means Tuesday, 4 means Wednesday, 5 means Thursday, 6 means Friday, 7 means Saturday. Close bracket, enter, I'll get the answer. Clear everyone? So similarly, if I start with today, like today is 18th October 2021. So what is the day? Today, what is the day if I want to find? So control N for new workbook. So what is the day? So what is today day? I don't know. Today is Monday, Tuesday, whatever. So I'll write equal to text, open bracket. Today date you can find by using today, open bracket, close bracket, comma, under double quote, DDDD, close bracket, enter. This is the day today. Clear, right? The other way I can find today, use switch, under switch, use the formula weekday, and under weekday write today, open bracket, close the weekday, comma, 1 means Sunday, then 2 means Monday, then 3 means Tuesday, then 4 means Wednesday, then 5 means Thursday, 6 means Friday, 7 means Saturday, close bracket, you'll get the answer. Clear everyone? So similarly, if I want to know 15th August 1947, what was the day? So F2 here in place of today, I'll write equal to text, put today date, under date, year first, 1947, month 8 August, and date was 15. Close bracket, enter. Clear? Same thing you can do here. So under weekday, date, year 1947, month 08, date 15. Enter. Understood everyone? So if I'm using the formula called weekday, Under weekday, if I'm using date 1947 08 15, so it is giving me value called 6. Okay, weekday it is giving me value called 6, and 6 means what? 6 means Friday. Everyone understood, right? So this is the concept of calendar, and you can use this concept of calendar to solve or to find any particular day if the date is given, and this become very relevant while working on the MS Excel. So in probably in many calculation, probably for preparing invoices, for doing any kind of calculation, this concept of finding the day will become very relevant. So I hope you understood and you like the class. So thank you everyone. See you all in next class. Take care. Bye everyone.